Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Sorry for the sudden live. Look at this. See, look at this. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. So today these sunflowers are bloomed for the first time. They're so beautiful. Happy Varalakshmi Vratam to everyone. I am going to attend puja in friend's home. I didn't get time since morning to come to the garden because of office work as well as getting ready for puja and all. Just now I am about to go out, but I saw these beautiful flowers. I thought let me go for short live and enjoy some time with these flowers. Hi everyone. How are you everyone doing? Look at these beautiful marigold flowers. Hello Ramesh Garu. I thought of coming sudden live. So this is my Ridgegard plants. I was keep on posting, right? We should plant in the middle of the season. I planted these little late. Look at these beautiful plants. How healthy they are growing. They will start producing soon. See, look at these beautiful plants. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you. So I will show my plants quickly. I'm not going to take much time. I'll be winding up quickly. So this is my one trellis which is growing only mostly Ridgegard, and some cucumber plants are going right now. And these are my okra plants, and this is my marigold flowers. These is pigeon pea plants. You can see how beautiful they were. These are okra plants. Here are my cucumber plants, my okra plants. Look at these beauties, how they are going nicely. And look at this beautiful okra. It is almost 1 feet tall. Look at these cucumbers. Yeah, this is my cucumbers plants. Here are some more cucumber plants. Look at this beautiful cucumber, how big it is going. Yeah, these are my chili plants. See how beautiful they are growing. Here is my gongura. Here is gongura patch. Here is another cucumber patch. So I am waiting for these okras to come. See here, these okra plants were started growing nicely. Look at this beautiful sunflower, how beautiful it is. I'm waiting more flowers to bloom. So look at my garden. So lot of zinnia plants. Thank you, Venkat. So see how beautifully they are growing. Look at these beautiful flowers. Lot of happiness when we come out. Since morning I didn't get time, and now I am going out for puja. So I am going to miss this beauty. That's why I thought of coming quick live. Yeah, look at my trellis where cucumbers and ridgegards are growing. Look at my cucumbers, how nicely they are growing. Yeah, this is my Karela plant. This is my Karelius plant, which I already posted. I trim almost 5 feet stems. So this is my garden on the side view. Let me go to the a little bit front view. It will be quicker. I'm just going little faster because I need to go to the puja. Yeah, in full bloom. All flowers are full bloom. So these are my rose plants, which are producing so nicely. This is my side view where I have my tomato plants, and these are my cucumber plants which I planted little late. They were started producing yesterday. I collected six cucumbers from these plants, and this is my pumpkin plant which I posted a video. I got the seeds from Indian store pumpkin peas, and it started growing. Even it started blooming some pumpkins also. I don't know whether they will stay, but it is very quicker. They came very quicker. I'm going down. So this is my another trellis where snake gourd and ridge gourd are growing. Look at this. Look at this beautiful Karela and the snake gourds which were going very nicely. So this is my trellis. You can see the video how I made this trellis. I made everything from scratch with these threads. See these my Karelas. Do you have to mulch your soil every year? No, I am not going to mulch anything. See, you can see I will cut this soil, this grass with the grass cutter. This is just a little bit small only, that's why I didn't cut them. Yeah, so this is my mulberry which I have trimmed some days back, which started growing nicely. And this is my beans plant, and those are cucumber plants. And you can see my eggplants which were in these bags. They were growing very nicely. Hello Karthik Garu. Yeah, this is my another trellis where I have snake gourd. These I left for seeds. Even that ridge gourd, that loofah also I left for seeds. This one also I left for seeds. So you can see here, the other day we have rain. So I plucked all these grass with my hand. So plucking is it will take out from the roots, right? They will take more days to grow. I won't use any even grass killers or anything to the land. So I will try to use as much as time which I have. So this is my another Karela trellis which were growing nicely. This is another trellis where I have the snake gourd and beans. Beans are almost over, but look at these beautiful snake gourds, how nicely they were growing. For some reason my plant in ground are not growing well or producing. The leaves are turning yellow. So the Diya ji, might be soil is not that healthy. What I suggest you, I posted a video I think in the month of December or November. You can go back and check in my profile. There are some videos how to make the ground is healthy. So I dig up the ground, and during the winter time I put lot of kitchen waste. Yeah, so here I have put so many new cucumber plants. Few days back they were started producing. A lot of cucumbers were growing. I have to pluck them. I didn't come to the garden since yesterday. So everything is growing so healthy. So as I keep on saying, we have to plant our garden plants 2 times. That means just we will plant in April or May, and we thinking that they will produce whole until winter comes. It is not going to happen like that. One good thing what I have done is like these ridge gourd, snake gourd, bitter gourd, my bottle gourd haven't started yet. So they were all cold crops. That means like when temperatures were down, then only they will produce lot of vegetables. So I put them in the shade. So now when we have hot weather, they didn't started producing anything. Now you can see the beauty, how beautiful every plant is. How beautiful every plant is. Even when I'm preparing the soil bag, I added lot of kitchen waste. That is why all these plants are so green and beautiful. You can see how beautiful they were growing. Yeah, I'm in Texas. Yes, Diyaji, for fall plants, you can plant cucumbers, beans, and zucchini, squash, and some cabbage, cauliflower, carrots. But you have to put them in the seeds actually. Then you have to replant them. Yeah, you can check in your Texas gardening Facebook group will be there. You can go and check. There will be people posting based on your weather, what are the crops you can plant. But generally you still can plant beans, these cucumber plants, even our normal cucumbers, Indian cucumbers, and a lot of beans varieties, squash, and you can put corn, sweet corn, all of that. Look at this trellis. I'm so impressed how nicely they were all going up. They are so beautiful to look at. Okay, maybe I was thinking tomorrow I may come to live in Facebook because I have different followers in Facebook. They were also asking me to come on live and give some answers to their questions. Maybe I will post a message in my profile in Instagram at what time I will be coming to Facebook tomorrow morning. Thank you so much everyone. So after putting kitchen waste in soil bag, how many weeks it takes to get the soil ready? I'm planning to start seeds for fall. So generally it will take minimum 45 to 60 days. So what you have to do is you have to put the kitchen waste at the bottom of the bag. So I started for my fall gardening almost 1 month back. I started preparing my pots. By the August end, they will all be all ready. So by the time plant roots will grow, it will be September. So by the time our compost will be ready, you still can plant, you still start put the soil bags ready with the compost now. But on the top, what you will do is like for top 30%, you put fresh potting mix soil, so that when the plant started growing, the roots started growing down, by the time compost will be ready. Because when compost process is happening, it generates lot of heat. If you put compost and the plant at the same time, because of that heat, plant roots will get dying. So we have to at least don't keep any fresh compost in your pots. At least you should keep 45 days time until you put the plant. Hope Diya you got answers for your questions. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you joining for the live. I really appreciate for all your support. So you also start growing. Kitchen waste is the key. My gardening guru is Nurjahan Terrace Gardening. You go and check in YouTube. She has 58 to 60,000 followers on 25 gaja, 30 square yard, 30 square yard, second floor terrace. She grows everything with the kitchen waste. Trust me, she has 10 and 15 varieties of guava. She grows lot of bananas. She grows lot of mango. She grows pineapple, papaya. Every fruit, every vegetable she grow in that small space. You everyone go and check, because the time and interest. We will in America we have a lot of space and a lot of land. We try to see like a passion, like garden also should be like something so passion, like what we call that. I'm not getting that point, but we want everything to be look so great. But see plants. See how beautiful this plant was. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this beautiful. Look at this trellis. This is not beautiful. This is so beautiful. So don't wait. What is the name, Andi? Noorjahan Terrace Gardening. Noorjahan Terrace Gardening. Noorjahan Terrace Gardening. She is growing on her 35 years old house. From 25 years, she is growing on her terrace second floor. She is gardening guru. She is my guru. I went and visited her in 2020. There is a video when I visited her. I can share that video in my story or in my Instagram link. Instagram. You all can go and visit her. See how she is making wonders. So I wanted all of you to grow organic food because trust me, okra is the highest pest vegetable. If you are buying okra from outside, I know because I recently also to 2020 also I did farming. I am so passionate. I want to do the farming. I hired some employees back in India. I spend all my money back in India. I went and do 1 year gardening, 1 year farming there and came back. You know, that much passionate. Okra, they put everyday pests for okra. So, and we all know we won't get all these vegetables anywhere organic. Trust me. You may feel like you are spending $100 for soil, $100 for plants, $100 for pots and all. Don't spend too much money wherever it is not required. Just put little effort for soil. When you get soil bags, use those bags. Make that bag into 2 halves. Put half for one plant, half for another plant. That way you are not required to buy pots. Collect your grass cuttings. When you do the lawn moving, collect all of that. When you have the dry leaves falling from your plants, collect all of that. The soil what we get from store, which has a life only 3 to 6 months. They will put on that. Feed up to 3 months, feed up to 6 months. After 6 months, it doesn't have any energy. It doesn't have any nutrients. It won't give any benefit to the plant. So that is old soil. So we have to reuse our grass cuttings, old soil and dried leaves, everything in our garden and make our own soil. Soil is foundation for gardening. That's why so many people will keep on coming and saying that wear gloves and put mask, all that. But I know my soil, what I am putting. Because I am making my own compost even since 2018. When I am in US, I stay in apartment. That time I don't capture any videos. That is the thing. Because I don't have that much idea in social media. That's why I never collected videos in my phone. Okay. I request all of you, share my videos with your friends and family. Talk with your friends on gardening terms. Encourage them. Because we all know how much is 1 lb of Karela, $2.99 in our place. That is not organic one. When you are growing everything in your garden, how many dollars you are going to save? If this is my gym, I am not required to go to gym specially. I will come, you all see my plants. If I skip watering one day, they are all gone. But you can see the beauty of my garden. Every plant we have to take care of like a baby. When you started gardening, you will see so many changes in your daily activities. Trust me, the way how you think, the way how you take care of things, everything will get changed. Okay? Thank you everyone. Thank you for your support. Please all of you go and check Noorjahan Terrace Gardening. Whatever harvest she posts, everything is on terrace gardening only. She was like from 55,000 from last few years because she is Telugu and she cannot spend much time. She is old person also. That's why she is not like young people. No followers were coming. But her gardening is awesome. In terrace, on the second floor building, she is growing everything. Trust me, that is the miracle. We all feel that we have a lot of land, but we won't use that land. We will be like thinking so many things, but go and see her gardening, how she is growing on terrace. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for your support. keep following me. I wanted you all to start organic gardening. When you start gardening, don't add any Miracle Grow, don't add any pesticides, don't add any things which makes harvest quicker and produce more. We don't need that. If we want to use chemicals to get a lot of harvest, then go and buy in the store itself. No need to spend your time. Why you are doing gardening? To grow everything organic way. When that will happen, you start not using any like even Miracle Grow, nothing. There will be some organic fertilizers which you can use very less, but everything you can get. If you want nitrogen, you can get from coffee grounds. If you want potassium, you can get potassium and magnesium from banana peels. If you want a lot of fertilizers to your plants and compost to your plant, you can use kitchen waste. Everything is available, and you can use wood ash. Wood ash will help for so many things. If you have if you add wood ash in your pots during the pots preparation, don't throw away your wood ash. When you have doing some parties, when you are using the grills and all, whatever ash you will get it, collect all of that, use that in your garden. It will help to keep so many pests and funguses, diseases away from the plants. Okay. So hope anybody has any questions. Thank you everyone. I really don't know how many people are joined. I really don't know how to use the social media very effectively also. I am trying my best to share whatever details I know. At least from my videos, 10 people started doing gardening, that too organic gardening. My whatever I started for this videos will be like fulfilled. That is what I feel. I want more gardeners like me, organic gardeners. Please start with kitchen waste. That is the key for your gardening. Kitchen waste. I know I am not getting time to post more videos because I am full-time employee. I have to take care of because of the constraints. I have to take care of my family, and I have to, after that only I will come and do everything. When I come to the garden, I won't get time to take videos and post it. But I have shared all the knowledge from last 4-5 months. If you can go and see my videos, everything lied in kitchen compost only. I made my own seeds. I made my own plants. I won't spend much money. I just got 7 tomato plants, that too for 99 cents. Rest all you can see, everything I prepared my own seeds, and some fellow gardeners like Bindu Garu, Nibu Thomas Garu, Nalini ji and Gira Patil ji, they send me the seeds. I am collecting more seeds this year. Okay. If anybody wants seeds, I am collecting with so many seeds from other gardeners. You all know collecting seeds will halt the growth of the plant. So we are going to, it's not selling, we are going to give for very, very minimal price. We are going to come up with the list of 25-30 varieties of seeds together. We are going to give it for very minimal price. If anybody interested, please ping me in my personal message. I am happy to provide you the details. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. I have to go out. I said quick live, but it almost 30 minutes I think. Thank you everyone.